Shipping options and cost calculator. Nihao offers various shipping options for you. Edit them on shipping method on my Nihao. We have set up a default template for you. Don't forget to sort by dragging the different shipping options based on your actual needs. Nihao will choose the shipping method accordingly. If you want to choose preferred shipping methods for specific items, you can add new templates for them. Click on the freight calculation button on the top of the page to go to the shipping cost calculator page and fill out the form to calculate the shipping cost.